Also tonight, the family of a shooting victim in Buffalo now taking legal action against AMR, accusing the ambulance company of taking too long to provide life-saving care. In that lawsuit, the sister of Columbus Eric Brooks Jr. says Brooks was shot in July of 2023 and died before getting to the hospital. She says if the emergency responders provided faster care, her brother could have survived. Krista Moran covers the city of Buffalo for us and has the latest tonight.
In this 13-page lawsuit, a Buffalo woman claims her brother could still be alive if he had received the right emergency care after being shot on Woodlawn Avenue in DuPont Street 2 years ago. The lawsuit alleges the City of Buffalo and LaSalle Ambulance, also known as AMR, of negligence and failing to provide timely emergency medical care. It says 18-year-old Columbus Eric Brooks Jr. was shot in the abdomen, and even though ECMC was just 3 minutes away, first responders waited more than 30 minutes before transporting him. The lawsuit claims EMTs treated him like he was having a heart attack, not a gunshot wound, and that delay cost him his life, saying all of their efforts could have and should have been performed while en route to the hospital, not out there on the street.
It took 5 hours to get an ambulance after her mother had a heart attack. Assuming all that is true, that's certainly unacceptable.
AMR has been under scrutiny over the past year after Buffalo's Common Council raised alarms about response times and the fact that AMR has been operating without a formal contract or paying the city a franchise fee.
The city and AMR are at a standoff where the city of Buffalo believes that if you're going to operate within our city bounds and use our public infrastructure and ultimately generate revenue for city residents, that a franchise fee is standard.
Councilmember Mitch Nowakowski says AMR is still operating without a contract.
And ultimately, we can't play ping pong back and forth and say, well, if you don't pay me the money, then I won't provide service in your municipality. That's nonsense, and we got to cut it out and get to it and come up with an agreement that's going to be beneficial to every and all parties involved.
The attorney for this lawsuit, AMR, and the city have yet to respond to our requests for comment. Krista Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.